I'm Kylie Genesio with Illinois Extension, and today we're going to make some baked tiger fries.
For our ingredients, we need 1 medium white potato, 1 medium sweet potato, 2 tablespoons cooking oil, a half a teaspoon of pepper. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Wash your hands with soap and water. Gently rub potatoes under cool running water. Cut into 1/2 inch thick strips with skins kept on. Place potatoes in bowl covered with water. Soak 10 minutes, then drain the water and pat the potatoes dry with a clean paper towel. Toss potatoes with oil and pepper and place on a baking sheet in a single layer. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes, turning occasionally or until cooked and crisp.
And here's the finished product, a quick and easy snack.
Eat, Move, Save.